When the wind's northerly, little birds like this get blown offshore. We pick them up, so we bring him in here, and we set him next to the heater. We feed him some crackers for the ride home. Let him dry out. Poor little guy. You're all right. We'll give you some crackers and some chips. We'll take care of you. Buddy found a new seat. He's ripping my hair out of my head, the big. Oh, now he is sitting on the phone. We will be in about an hour, and we're going to let him go free. Little guy's pretty excited to see land. Here he goes. See you later, buddy.
Come here, beautiful boy. I love you so much. Oh, no, not today, Malfoy. Stop attacking me, Malfoy. Stop. You are hurting me. Please, no.
Run.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man.
This is true love right here. Jerry loves her. Jerry, kill her! Jerry, kill her! Good boy! Murder her! End her existence! Ah! Look how cute he is! Jerry, stop it! Jerry, stop it! Jerry, stop throwing the plate! Clean it up!
Hi Mom, I've been staring at you for hours. Thank goodness you're finally awake. I hope you don't notice that I just shit all in the kitchen, but if you do, just know I'm still a good girl and will give you lots of licks and kisses. Now will you get up and throw the damn toy because I've been wanting to play since 3 a.m. Thank you.